Introducing our windshield vent insert for the 2025 and newer Can-Am Canyon models. This insert fits seamlessly into the factory windshield vent, giving you the ability to customize your airflow based on weather conditions. Sold as a set of two, you'll get one insert designed to direct airflow upward toward the rider, perfect for staying cool on warmer rides, and one insert that directs airflow downward, keeping you warm and comfortable in cooler temperatures. They also make a great bug filter while riding. Crafted from a highly flexible polymer, the insert contours perfectly to the curvature of your windshield, and they're UV resistant, waterproof, and extremely impact resistant. They're super strong and built to last. Installation is simple and fast. Select either the upward or downward facing insert and press into place until all locking tabs are securely seated on the back of the windshield. To remove it, just pull it off, no tools needed. If you want a direct airflow on your next ride, head over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a set of directional vent inserts for your Canyon, and don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything on three wheels. Thanks for watching.